everyone, I am Sonasan from Karnal, Andhra Pradesh, India, and today I'm going to play chess. Chess is a game that is played by two players and is very good for our brains and it is very fun to play. So I decided to play this game for today, and so we're here to play chess. So first of all, we're the whites, and supposedly according to the chess rules, the white has to play first. And I'm gonna go with d2 pawn to d3. And this is the meatless opening. And I'm gonna go to the horse. I'm gonna put the king to it, and then I'm gonna go put a pawn here. And then I'm gonna go here. Okay, so I'm putting a double mate here. Then I'm gonna move my another pawn. Just gonna put it here. And then I'm gonna put it here. And then the queen goes back. I'm gonna put a camel here. So it basically kills my white, and I'm gonna put a and this is my chance to put a horse here, and then threatens it, and I'm gonna move a pawn here. It's gonna go here, sacrifice my horse for that, and I'm gonna go here. And we're gonna go here. Pawn. The queen won't kill it. Put a horse here for now. I'm gonna put the rook. I'm gonna do this. No, you're gonna go here, I guess. I think we're gonna go here. And natural, I think we're gonna go. The camel's been a safe distance, and it can't threaten the rook, so we're gonna go to here. But the king can kill me, so we're gonna go here. And then that pulls on a rook, so I'm gonna put right here. And I'm gonna go kill this guy right here. The queen is comping a safe distance of it though. I could sense it. We're gonna remove the queen, and then we're gonna kill this cat. Oh, it's a check. We're gonna kill this guy. And then you put the double action with the rook and the camel. If I kill the rook, the camel's gonna kill me. So I'm gonna go here. We go right here. Kill this guy. And just go right here. So I'm gonna put a rook here for the support. Just gonna bring down this pawn. Kill this guy. And kill the pawn with this guy. And he might have killed my pawn or something. We could go here. I'm gonna put a check to him. I'm gonna kill his queen. And I'm gonna kill that. And let me bring my other rook. And I'm gonna bring it down. So now I'm gonna put a check now. We're gonna like this, so the king and our count gonna check. We don't want to kill the rook and the horse though, because if we kill the horse and the rook, it will be a draw. Because in 12 to 15 moves, I have to checkmate the king before it becomes a draw. So I'm gonna save this camel real quick. We're putting a chess check. I'm gonna put it here. And I put it, it's kind of difficult. Promoting move. Kill mine, that's not bad. And then it maintains a safe distance. I'm going with the queen. And then we're gonna kill this horse right there. We're gonna checkmate the king. And we're gonna promote some pawns. Go here. Here. We're gonna continue doing this until... Okay, kind of brought thing here. We're gonna threaten a rook. And then we get the rook back. But check. So I'm gonna kill the rook. So my plan is that I need to trap the king so I can't kill him. And now that he's cornered, he can't do anything. He's just gonna go in the middle line. So I need to kind of get him here. I need to corner him up to here. You have to go to there, and then I think I need to bring another rook with me. So we're gonna move the king here, but the king is gonna kill me. We're gonna move it here, and the king gonna move it here. Then I think I'm gonna trap it again. Put the threat, but the king's there for the queen's support. And oh jeez, forgot I can do that. And I need to corner him here. Then I'll do that. We kill my rook though. That's real sad. And I'll do it here. We'll do it here. We'll put a check with the pawn. And in the here's it again. Alright. Here. Put it here. Kill our promoting pawn though. And we're gonna put it here, right here. And then we're gonna put it right the queen support. And the king, the queen support. I think it's gonna draw surely. Yup. So it is a draw actually. I should have won because of a checkmate, but this kind of a little bit of a fun game. Well, that was a fun game. So I hope you like, subscribe, and comment. So bye.